Today we are discussing segment addition postulate and midpoint of a segment. The segment below has points A, B, C, D, and E. With that, we are given that segment DE is congruent to segment AB, so we are to prove that segment AD is equal to BE.
The property that states that if you add the same number to both sides of an equation, the sides remain equal. If A is equal to B, then A may be replaced by B in any equation or expression. The symmetric property states that for all real numbers A and B, if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Example, segment D is equal to segment E. The transitive property states that for all real numbers A, B, and C, if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. Example, segment BA is equal to segment DC, and segment DC is equal to segment FE, then segment BA is equal to segment FE. The reflexive property states that for every real number A is equal to A, example, segment AB is equal to segment A. Given three collinear and distinct points, BD and G, D is between B and G only if BD plus BG is equal to BG. Two objects are congruent if they have the same dimensions and shape. When talking about line segments, they are congruent if they have the same length, but they don't need to be at the same angular position on the plane.
The first thing to do in proving any item is to always write the given, where segment DE is congruent to segment AB. Since the given is congruent, to be able to use it, we must change it to an equation of equality. This is where definition of congruency comes in. We change the given to DE is equal to AB. Since the only given items is DE and AB, we have to bring out items needed so that we can accomplish the proving portion. To do this, we must find a similarity between the two given, which is BD. The reflexive property of equality helps us state that BD is equal to BD. This is where segment addition postulate comes in. We use the given from the previous number and add it to the already given information. So AB plus BD equals AD, and DE plus BD is equal to BE. This is how we're able to bring out the items needed for proving. Substitution allows us to combine the two given equations. So we get AB plus BD from the first equation and combine it to BE as the answer from the second equation. So AB plus BD is equal to BE. Based on the given substitution, transitive property allows us to replace AB plus BD with AD. So AD is equal to BE. To end it, we have to show that the previously stated portion is congruent to each other. So we use definition of congruent segment once again to state that segment AD is congruent to segment BE. We can see that this is similar to the proving portion that was given earlier. So these are the 7 steps needed to prove that segment AD is congruent to segment BE, using segment addition postulate and midpoint of a segment.